Hello mga katsaka! Nagkikrave ako ng kikiam today. Kaya naman, samahan niyo po ako magluto today para sama-sama tayong mag-snacks. Kaso, bawal ako gumamit ng kalan. Kaya naman, rice cooker to the rescue! As you can see guys, now I am cooking. But wait guys, there's still I'm sick. Oh my face! Now, it's already cooked guys. O diba ang shala? Come on guys, let's eat together. Happy eating! By the way guys, my name is Franz. When I grow up, I want to become a soldier and mukbanger at the same time. The mukbanging soldier! Napakasarap! Crunchy! And it melts in my mouth! Napakasarap talaga! Kain tayo! Thank you for watching! Maraming salamat sa inyo guys! And love you all! Bye!